Today we have what we created internally in CBP, which is our private cloud infrastructure, and we call it Common Delivery Platform. And it's actually been built around the principles of vendor-agnostic capability and integration of best-of-breed technologies via open standards and, where possible, open source capabilities. So all of our infrastructure is based on that kind of a principle. In terms of data, we're currently one of Oracle's largest consumers of Oracle databases, so a lot of our very large high-performance analytical and processing capabilities are on Oracle on that common delivery platform, private cloud kind of capability. Honestly, our big data strategy is evolving. Big data is probably one of the current big buzzwords within the industry, but it's interesting. You talk to 4 different vendors about what big data means to them, and you get 4 different answers. I think that's actually a good thing, because that means there's diversity in how big data is evolving, and that gives us opportunity, where a lot of people would say, well, there's risk to that, and there is, but it's also opportunity to make big data what would really be beneficial for us. So our strategy is evolving. We are working on it. We're currently doing surveillances on a number of the big data vendors, and we hope to create a strategy out of that work and that partnership with industry. We have volumes of data, massive quantities of data that we deal with, a lot of it regarding people who have entered or exited the country over the last 30, 40 years, and the patterns of behavior associated with that. And primarily in the past, and even today, we've done a lot of our analytics based on rules. So we would identify behaviors of bad people, or people who do bad things when they enter the country. And we would create a rule about that and then start identifying other people who fit that rule. And we've been very successful at that. But I think going forward, what we really need to do, and I think big data and data visualization may get us here, is move from that reactive mode of creating roles based on what we've seen happen, and actually use data visualization to tell us what questions we should ask that we never knew before, and specifically give our mission those kind of capabilities and say, what are the questions you never knew you should be asking based on this kind of data and the visualization that comes with it.